Long before iron rails echoed through these mountain gorges, ancient footpaths carved the original passages across the Appalachian wilderness. Explorers like Daniel Boone blazed these mountain corridors. Industrial expansion in the late 1880s sparked intense mineral speculation. Laboring under brutal conditions, convict crews carved the original railbed. Recognizing the vast wealth locked within Mount Rogers virgin timber, entrepreneur Wilton Mingea pivoted the bankrupt line toward industrial logging. Steam engines laboring up steep grades earned the affection of locals. At the height of the timber boom, giant red spruce logs rolled continuously. Whitetop Station became the highest standard gauge passenger depot. By the late 1920s, rapid deforestation depleted the virgin forests, silencing the sawmills and leaving mountain towns desolate. In 1957, the final steam engine puffed its way down the mountain. Catastrophic floods in 1977 destroyed key bridges.
Hold it right there. Looks good, doesn't it?
Today, the 17-mile ride from Abingdon to Damascus offers a peaceful trek. Known as Trail Town, USA, the corridor hosts the famous intersection. From Whitetop Station, descending 1,600 feet back to Damascus. The high trestle lifts riders 100 feet above the forest canopy. In September 2024, Hurricane Helene devastated the upper mountain. A $240 million restoration effort, rebuilding the trail. Long-distance Appalachian Trail hikers navigate a scenic detour. The Virginia Creeper Trail set to fully reopen on 2027.
Subscribe to Try Today. Smash that sub button.